I'm going to call the docket for Monday morning, November the 15th, halfway through the month. Couple of weeks till Thanksgiving Day. Case number 556917, State versus Thomas Salame.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
You got David Garcia's attorney.
Yes, sir.
He's running late. He's in other courts, Judge.
All right. Mr. Garcia is in another court, but
Yes,
he
sir.
knows you're here.
Yes, sir.
591779, State versus Eric Willis. Suzanne Kramer.
Yes, sir.
Eric Willis.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, you too.
Suzanne Kramer, no appearance at this point, but we'll be. I'm expecting that she'll show up. 599862, State versus Mariana Barnes, attorney. Janisha Taylor, this appears to be set for a plea. Mariana Barnes, absent. Janisha Taylor, no appearance. 602795, State versus Cameron Walton, attorney Luis Martinez.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Walton.
Good morning to you too, sir.
Luis Martinez.
He called me Friday, was the last time I talked to him. I haven't talked to him.
He usually is pretty good about showing up. We'll see whether he shows up or not.
Judge. I saw him.
Sorry, say that again, sir.
He's usually pretty good about showing up, so I'm sure he's here somewhere. 612-311, scheduled for 1:30. Afua Adu, attorney Patrick Montgomery.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here.
Good morning. Were you here this morning so early?
I was from my PO and from other offices. I was given a text message that said I needed to arrive at 8:30, sir.
Well, for some reason, something wrong there. There's a miscommunication, but we have you scheduled for 1:30.
Yes, sir.
Contested hearing. We'll wait for Mr. Montgomery. I'm sure he's going to be available. 615-372, State versus Christine Mason, attorney George Sharman II.
Judge, good morning.
Good morning, George. How are you?
She's trying to log in. She says she's screen that says you will be admitted as soon as possible or whatever.
You're an officer of the court. I accept that. I'll mark you present. Tell me what you're going to do this morning.
We wanted to do a plea, and I'd like to confer.
Confer? You're number one to confer, Mr. Sharman.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Good to see you. 617151, State versus Hugo Garcia Hernandez, attorney Paul Acevedo. Hugo Garcia Hernandez is absent. Paul Acevedo, no appearance. 618-226, State versus Rhonda de la Cruz, attorney Humberto Saldaña III.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Good morning, Ms. de la Cruz.
Good morning, sir.
Have you heard from Mr. Saldaña?
No, I did text him yesterday and he knows that we were supposed to be in court today.
All right, well, I expect he'll show up, but for right now, he's not, no appearance.
Okay.
621-896, State versus Brittany Perry, attorney Luis Martinez.
Judge, I got a text from him. He's in County Court 12 and he'll come over here next.
Okay. Luis Martinez.
Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Ms. Perry.
Good
Luis
morning,
Martinez is in County Court 12, but he will be joining us after a while.
Yes, sir.
622-876, State versus Alfredo Torres, attorney Jonathan Watkins. Alfredo Torres is a fugitive with a warrant. Apparently, he will be consistent in that I will issue a warrant for him too. Jonathan Watkins, attorney, no appearance, so noted. 623-886, State versus Yuying Ren, and this is Christopher Peng, his attorney.
I saw Christopher.
Yeah,
Payne.
Judge, I'm here, Judge. I'm actually changing
ENG.
devices. So I apologize.
Christopher? Are you Christopher Payne? Hello?
He said he was changing his device.
Okay. And we'll see whether he has his client there with him. 628-121, State versus James Pryor, attorney, Jesus Vargas.
Yes, Your Honor. Morning.
Council President, my clients, and Judge.
Good morning to you both. What are you doing this morning, Mr. Vargas?
Oh, just trying to get some allergies. But other than that, I've got, for this case, Your Honor, there's only 2 motions.
Sounds like you've been out frog hunting.
Yeah.
You got that frog in your throat.
Well, they're just regular motions that I believe last time we went through them, it's pursuant to the rules. One is the witness list, and then the other one is the disclosure under Rule 702 on the experts, and the amended standing order that the court enters for the blood test results. It started off as a case where, so I don't know if I need to confer with the state and then come back to the court.
I'm going to put you number 2 to confer.
Okay.
And let's see what's going on. We'll resolve it one way or the other.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 628-8845, State versus Adam Gonzalez, no attorney.
I'm here, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Gonzalez.
Good morning.
Are you able to hire an attorney?
I have not been able to hire an attorney, no, sir.
All right. What are your wishes? What do you want to do?
I'd like to see if I can apply for appointed attorney.
All right. And if you'll stay with us, Ms. Patty Garcia will be chatting with you a little bit about making your application.
Okay.
When you make an application, you have to swear to all the information in it. If you qualify, you will get an attorney. If you don't, obviously you won't.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So stick around. Scheduled for 1:30 p.m. 629-489, State versus Dennis Henry, attorney Dave Sanchez.
That's in person, Judge.
That is an in-person hearing on a motion to suppress that will be recalled at 1:30. 6-3-1128, State versus Eric Barber, attorney Leslie Sahanovich.
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
Morning.
I would like to confer. We have another case with Mr. Barber, a different case number. That other case number is 636-967.
Yes, sir.
And then I'd like to confer with the state, Your Honor, and then also I have a plea that's on the list later on down.
Is his client here?
Is your client here, Leslie?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Very good. Thank you. Then you're number 3 to confer. You shouldn't be too long.
He said he had another case, Judge.
The other case, do you have another case, Leslie?
Page 4.
It's a plea, Judge. It's
On
later
page
on
4.
down page. It's
Page 4.
page 4, yes.
650-864, set for a plea. Mario Garcia.
Yes, he's there too, Judge.
All right, very good. You have all your paperwork done, Les?
Yes, sir. I think so. Patty can check.
So maybe, possibly. 631-524, State versus Christian Ortiz, attorney Edward Piper Jr.
He had announced that Mr. Piker was running late.
This is for a plea also. Christian Ortiz, absent. Mr. Piker will be in. 635-212, State versus Michelle Dennison, attorney Julia Hernandez.
Yes, I'm here. Hello?
Hello.
Ms. Hernandez,
Bless you, Judge.
Michelle Dennison.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Julia, what are you doing this morning? Did she not respond?
The defendant did.
All right. Stick around, Ms. Dennison.
Okay.
636-867, State versus Troshawn Goff. Attorney, Stacy Kraus.
Yes, sir, I'm present.
Is that Ms. Goff or Ms. Kraus?
Miss Goff.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Stacy Kraus. No appearance at this moment. She's got another case. Stick around, ma'am. 637-466, State versus Perla Ramirez. Attorney, Ivan Barrera. Perla Ramirez, absent at this time. Ivan Barrera, no appearance at this moment. 638-976, State versus Javier Leos Jr. Attorney, Paul Acevedo. Paul is no appearance. Second case.
And Judge, this is Suzanne. Oh, I'm sorry, Judge.
Go ahead. Hello.
Suzanne Kramer.
Yes, this is Suzanne. I was actually here, Judge, when you called my first case, but my audio wasn't working, so I had to start it all over. So I
Okay.
just wanted to know I was here on Eric Willis, and I've got another case, and I need to be put in the line to confirm.
All right, what, on 591-779, Eric Willis is here.
Yes, Judge.
What are your wishes, Ms. Kramer?
I just need to do a quick conferring on him, as well as my other Oscar Roman, who is 664-940, I think.
She's on page 6.
Oh, okay.
Page 6, thank you.
Thank you, Patty.
The bottom of page 6.
664-945, State versus Oscar Roman.
I'm here, Judge.
Oscar Roman.
I'm here. I
morning
can't
to you,
seem to
sir.
get my.
Your
Hello?
attorney is present. Ms. Kramer, you're going to confer on both of these cases?
Yes, please, Judge.
I am marking you to confer on both.
Thank
Number
you.
4.
4 and 4A. All righty. Back to the regular docket. Back on page 3.
Excuse me, Your Honor, may I approach?
Paul Acevedo, 638-976, Javier Leos, and it's Paul Acevedo, attorney. Paul is absent, so is his client. Somebody wanted to approach?
Yes, Your Honor. On James Robert Pryor, may he be excused? I'm gonna confer with the prosecutor in
Yes,
reference
sir.
to Smoke.
If you'll be conferring, is your client here?
Yes, he was here, Your Honor.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes,
you're
I'm here.
You're excused, sir. Your attorney will be doing some work for you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. 643-135, State versus Clemente Sanchez, attorney James Oltersdorf. This gentleman is in jail. He happens to have 8 felonies pending or something like that. Yes, and at least 3 misdemeanors. So I think Mr. Oltersdorf is not present. So noted. And his client is present in jail. 643-315, State versus Anjan Wally, attorney.
Hey, Judge, this is
Mick.
Good morning, my
Mick
lord.
is on the. Hey,
Good
Judge,
morning,
can you
how
hear
are
me? Mick is on the bond. This is Dante Dominguez. I'm here for Mr. Goli, and if I could just confer.
Who is this?
Dante Dominguez.
Dante.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Number 5.
Good morning, my lord.
Your client here?
Yeah, good
Yes,
morning, my
yes.
lord.
Mr. Anjan Gole.
Good morning, my lord.
Good morning. Okay. Mr. Dominguez, what are your intentions?
Appeal button.
Hello,
I think he said he wanted to
Yes.
confer.
confirm?
Mhm.
You've never
Yes,
heard
sir.
from Ricky Hernandez, right?
All right, I'm marking you to confer, Mr. Dominguez.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. 644-531, State versus Ronald Beckingham. Attorney, John Young. Ronald Beckingham, one more. Call. Absent. John Young, no appearance. Proceeding to page 4. 646-286, State versus Juelia Hernandez. Brenda Levenstein.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here. That's my case. I don't have a good phone number for her, and I've been trying to call pretrial services all morning, and they never answer. So I'm going to keep trying to see if I can get a good number for her.
He got picked up on a warrant and then no contact still after that too.
I beg your pardon?
That's Stacy, Judge. She needs to mute
Oh,
herself.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that can you just give me, keep going with your docket and let me keep trying to call and find out if I can reach her? Would that be okay?
Somebody else on the docket.
Absolutely.
Okay.
I'll recommend it. 646-817, State versus Daniel Rangel. Attorney, Stacy Kraus.
Good morning, Judge.
I suspect Ms. Kraus is here.
Yes, I'm here.
And
And
how about-
Daniel is here as well. And Judge, I also have 2 other cases on the docket this morning.
Yes, ma'am. I think I had one earlier.
Yes, I just came in just after you called that one. It probably is 636-867, Trayshawn Goff. She's here as well.
636.
Which 3?
I was going in here to take a shit somewhere.
8.
It's okay. I can't get it to work.
6, 7.
Can't get mine. Yeah, I don't know.
636-867.
I need a cigarette. I don't have to do Zoom.
Page 3.
Yeah. All right.
What? You know how to do Zoom?
I've got you marked present, Ms. Kraus. What do you wish to do with your cases?
I do want to talk with the prosecutors about Daniel's case. Trayshawn has a felony that we're going to be resolving, and the misdemeanor will resolve into the felony. So there's no reason to talk to them about that one.
Well, let's take it one at a time. What are
Okay,
you doing
sorry.
on golf? What are you doing
On
golf?
her, we're going to be resolving this case into the felony, Judge.
So it's right now it's felony pending.
Yes, Judge.
How much time? 60 days or less?
Yeah, that'll be fine, Judge.
All right. So golf reset 60 days felony pending. All right. Then which one?
646-817.
Page 4.
Right. That's Rangel.
Yes, I just need to talk to the state about that one.
Okay.
And then my third one is 648-636.
648-636. All right. And that is Ricky Hernandez.
It is, Judge. Is he in the courtroom?
I am not certain. Ricky Hernandez.
No, he's not in the courtroom, Judge.
Okay, he's not in the courtroom, so he's
Yeah,
absent
Judge.
as of right now.
And this is one where we had trouble with getting a hold of him, and you issued a warrant, and then he got picked up on the warrant. And here we are
Well,
again,
you have to admit he's consistent.
unfortunately. And we've tried everything we can to get a hold of him.
All right. So I have you marked to confer to the extent that you can.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
646-90. Hello.
This is Trashawn Goff. May I be excused?
This is whom? This is
My
who?
client that we're resetting on the felony pending, Judge, she can be excused, correct?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 646-907, State versus Daniel Walker, attorney. Kenneth Wake Jr.
Good morning, Judge Longoria. Ken Wake present on behalf of Daniel Walker, who's also present. Your Honor, we've executed an agreement to participate in a pretrial diversion. We're just waiting for the district attorney's signature.
Very good. Then we'll mark you pretrial diversion. We'll see how we handle that as far as scheduling. We'll get back to you shortly.
Okay, thank you.
647722, State versus Rolando Caldera, Baltasar Serna Jr.
I'm here, Your Honor.
We say I'm here. Who is it?
Caldera.
Mr. Caldera, good morning to you. Have
Good
you
morning,
heard from Walter? Have you heard from Walter Serna?
No, I haven't, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm showing no appearance on Baltasar Jr. Stick around. 648084, State versus Napoleon Armstrong. Attorney Marshall White.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning, Marshall.
I'm here for Mr. Armstrong, and he is on the call. He also has another case, Judge, 667559.
Thank you.
Right.
I would like to confer on those cases, Judge.
You are scheduled to confer, sir.
Judge, I noticed that Mr. Young was not on the screen.
Like or something you can do someday and then try to.
I muted
Mr. White, this is all garbled. Try it again.
I said, Judge, I noticed that you called Mr. John Young's name a couple of minutes ago, and he was off the screen, but he's back now.
Okay.
Appreciate the help from my friends.
Page 3 at the bottom of page 3.
So I'm marked confirmed, Judge.
So John Young is no longer absent. He's actually here.
I'm here.
Yes, Your Honor.
What about your
Your Honor,
client,
this is
Mr.
John Young, and I'm
Beckingham?
here on Mr. Beckingham.
Right. Mr. Beckingham has not responded.
He's
Judge?
told me that he's in the courtroom.
Judge, he just walked in at 9:25.
All right. He is now in the courtroom.
Yes.
So what have you
And I
got,
have
John?
one
What do you
other
want to do?
off-docket issue that I'd like to talk to the court about when you finish the docket.
All right. Very good.
Does he want to confer?
Did you want to confer or not, John, with the state?
Mr. Beckingham, yes, and the other one is on Dawn Malloy. She is apparently did not come to court in September sometime, and neither she or I showed up. I don't know why we didn't know about it, but she's here on Zoom now.
She's here, Judge. Look.
Don Malloy. Don?
Yes,
D-A-W?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning. You know,
Good morning.
happen to know the case number, John?
I do. It is 634424.
All right.
It may also be listed under Dawn Hasenberger.
Judge Stewart, may I ask?
Don Hasenberger?
That may
Yes,
be
Your
how
Honor.
it's listed, Your Honor. Some of the documents I have that.
All right. Well, let's see where we go from here.
I'm asking her to start her video.
I can't. I've been trying to start it. It says I need to launch something on my browser, and I can't figure it out. I'm trying to figure it out right now.
Well, we'll be waiting for you.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm trying on my computer and my phone, and I can't get either one of them to do it.
All right. I'm going to continue with
Thank you.
my docket 650245, State versus Ashton Garza, Attorney Patrick Lamas.
I'm here.
Ashton Garza, good morning.
Good morning. And then
Patrick Lamas.
he did.
Lamas.
He called and he was going to be running late. He said he's in court.
That's true, Judge. I have a message here.
Okay, we have a message to that effect. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
650379, State versus Selene Hernandez, Attorney Marisa Ayon. Selene Hernandez, absent. Selene Ayon. No appearance. 651-768, State versus Jaron Cosme. Attorney Ivan Barrera. Ivan Barrera, no appearance. Jaron Cosme, absent. 651-928. Hello.
Judge, this is Marisa on Selena Hernandez. I don't know if you had heard that I was present.
No, I did not.
Okay.
Very good. I've marked you present. Your client has not appeared.
Okay, Your Honor. I'll try and see if I can get a hold of her.
All righty. Thank you, ma'am. Continuing, 651-928, State versus Rolando Reyes. He was in jail. Attorney Michael Goins.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Reyes was indicted on October the 21st. He has not had a court appearance as of yet. We'd ask for a 60-day recess.
I'm sorry.
He was indicted on October the 21st.
Gotcha.
We'd ask for a 60-day reset because of the felony pending.
I got you. All right. Now I got you. Felony pending, 60-day reset. You have anything else, Mr. Goins?
I have nothing else, Your Honor. May be excused.
You are excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
653-420, State versus Rosendo Guevara. Attorney Rochelle Acevedo.
I have Mr. Guevara in the courtroom, Judge.
Judge, I'm present on that.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. I do need to confer on that, but Your Honor, I was assigned to Judge Canales this morning on a 5-day trial. So can I get a reset and email the ADAs?
Well, if you were assigned to Judge Canales, I don't know if I can give you a reset on him, but on this case, yes.
Yes, Judge, please. I mean, I'd appreciate a reset on the other case, but.
All right. You know, we're still lawyers, Rochelle. When you ask me a wide open question like that. All right. We will reset your case 30 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good luck.
May my client be excused, Judge?
Yes, you are. Mr. Guevara is excused.
Okay.
654-958, State versus Kevin Farise, or Farisi. William Davidson.
Your Honor, Kevin Farise.
Pardon me?
Yes. I'm Kevin
Yes, Your Honor. I'm on, and my client is on as well. I had just sent him an affidavit of non-prosecution last night. He's going to get the complainant to sign, and we're going to turn in.
Okay, Mr. Davidson, let me just inform you that I am looking at those with a significantly jaundiced eye. I'm not going to just sign off on them. Make your client aware of that. You know, how I'm going to handle that, I don't know, but I'm having some serious questions about that kind of non-prosecute stuff. But just be aware.
Okay.
And we want to, are you going to confer it all?
Well, I think it'd be a good idea to confer with the state and ask them if they would like to talk to the complainant.
All right, that I highly recommend. All right. Thank you, sir. Then let's give you, recall you in 2 weeks or approximately, what do we have, Patty?
2 weeks, November 29th.
November 29th.
Okay.
Let's see if we can't settle this down.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Does he
You're
want
both
to confer
excused.
today?
Well, I'm sorry, you're going to confer. I'm sorry.
You wanted to confer today?
You're going to confer today, right?
If it's available today, I would like to.
Yes, sir, it is. 657-267, State versus Kristen Lamore. And that
Good
is-
morning, Judge. Edward Adams for Kristen Lamore. She's in custody. She also has a felony.
What's that?
Somebody needs to mute.
It's George Sharman, Judge.
George?
I just muted him.
Okay. Felony pending, 60 days.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Adams, we're going to give you a 60-day reset since he's got a felony pending.
Okay, may I be excused, please, sir?
You are excused. I cannot excuse your client. He's at the Hilton.
All righty. Thank you, Judge.
658, you're welcome. 658-243, State versus Robert Garcia, attorney. Ivan Barrera.
Judge, all of Ivan Barrera's cases were recalled for November 19th.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ivan Barrera's case reset 19 November. Robert Garcia, if you are here, don't make no difference, huh? 659-373, State versus Danny Anderson, attorney. Ricardo Briones.
Judge, he left a message.
I'm present, actually, Your Honor. I'd like to confer with the state on this, Your Honor.
All right, sir. I am putting you on the list to confer. And
Thank
your
you.
client?
Danny Anderson, he said he was on. I don't see him right now. I don't know where. I could try giving him a call.
As of right now, Ricardo, I have to mark him absent, make sure he reports.
Hey, Your Honor, I'll give him a call right now.
659-417, State versus Jalen Payton, attorney Ross Rodriguez.
Judge, I'm here.
That's Mr. Payton.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning. I actually owe Ross Rodriguez a payment, so I don't think he would be showing up until he received that payment.
He owes him a payment.
Well, he owes me an appearance, which is more important. So Mr. Rodriguez is going to have to appear.
He hasn't been answering my phone.
Okay. Stick around a little while.
And I'm at work. That's what I'm at work right now. So.
All right. Well, be available. We'll see what happens. 659-481, State versus Javier Limon, attorney, no attorney. Javier Limon.
I'm here, Judge.
Good morning to you. Who's your attorney? You were supposed to hire one.
I'm trying to get a court appointed one. I already filled out some paperwork. I'm just waiting to hear back on that.
All right. You'll have to fill out an application and swear to it. Let me just suggest to you that you don't want to put yourself in danger of going to state prison by way of giving us false or inaccurate information. So be careful what you put on your application. Just stick around and we'll get back to you about the application, all right?
All right.
660-731, State versus Ryan Hussein. Rayan Hussein, and that is, he's in jail. Attorney James Tochi.
Judge, good morning. Yeah, Mr. Hussein is in custody. I believe he's got several felonies pending. I do believe we're going to resolve them, which will swallow up this case, but that has not happened as of today, obviously. So if we could get a reset on that.
Felony pending, 60-day reset.
I also have another client scheduled in here today, Judge. I don't know if you want to keep working through your docket or.
Absolutely. Tell me who your other client is.
It's Juan Morin. These are really new cases. I've got a cause number for you. It's 671-581.
671.
Page 8.
581.
581 on page 8. I am informed.
And I'm just seeking a pretrial reset, Judge. I'm not sure I have all the discovery on all three of these cases yet. It's still a very new situation.
The felony is awaiting indictment, Judge.
We're going to give you 60 days too because he's awaiting indictment.
That works, Judge.
Mr. Morin, is he present?
He should be. I'm told he is.
Yes,
but I haven't.
I'm here now.
All right.
There he is.
I love it when they tell me he should be, because I know he should be. All right, Jim. Then,
thank you, Judge.
This is Mr. Morin. Mr. Tochi, y'all are excused on that case. On the other one that I just called, you're excused on that, and Mr. Hussein is also. All right, 660-804, State versus Dominic Rodriguez, attorney Ray Lopez. Ray Lopez, no appearance. Dominic Rodriguez, absent, failure to appear. Continue. Hello.
Excuse me, Judge. My lawyer, Rodriguez, he said he's on here right now.
Pardon me?
Ross Rodriguez.
Ross Rodriguez, he said he's on here.
All right, well, I just called that a while ago. You'll have to wait a little bit. I'll come back. 661-499, State versus Robert Martinez, attorney Javier Oliva.
Bradley Bellows appearing for Javier Oliva today, Judge, and my client is present. Can we please be sent out to confer with the state?
All right, sir. We'll set you down for conferring. What is your name?
Bradley Bellows.
Bradley. Last name?
Bellows. Bellows.
Not one bellow, but bellows.
Multiple, plural. Yes, Your Honor.
Gotcha. Okay, Mr. Bellows, you are listed to confer. 661-880, State versus Francisco Lu, attorney Ivan Barrera. That reset to November 19th, Patty?
Yes, sir.
19 November. Mr. Lu, you happen to be present? All right, no, nonetheless, 662231, State versus Eric Montellano.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Robert Ambrosino Jr.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here, and my client is here. I'd like to confer with the state.
You are listed to confer, sir.
Thank you.
On to page 7, 665938, State versus Kelsey Story, attorney Oscar Hernandez.
Hold on. Good morning, Judge. Oscar Hernandez.
Good morning, Oscar. How are you?
Fantastic, Judge. If we can be put in line to confer, please.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Is your client here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very good.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here. Thank you.
Good morning. 666055, State versus Lori Valdez, attorney Melanie Lida.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here. My client is also present, and I just need to confer with the state.
You are listed to confer. Thank you.
Thank you.
668169, State versus Nidia De Leon, attorney Tanya Rivera.
Good morning, Judge.
Reset your case. You don't have
Tanya Rivera, and my client is present here on Zoom. Judge, may I please confer with the state as well?
You don't have to come no more. Just turn around and go back. Go back. January 24th. Do not forget it. Make sure you put it in your phone.
Somebody needs to be
January
muted,
24th. Don't be late. Don't be late. Be on.
I muted, Dante.
669248, 669249, State versus Darrell Johnson, attorney John Garcia.
I'm here, Your Honor. My client is here too.
All right.
We should be ready to go on the plea if the
You got all
paperwork
your
is in.
paperwork done on these cases? John?
Yes, we had filled it out. I just want to make sure the court had received it.
We'll double check as soon as we get through calling the docket.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Page 8, 671210, State versus Henry Ruiz, attorney Hector Garza. Hector Garza. No appearance. Henry Ruiz. Absent.
Hector Garza, it got reset, Judge. Sorry. Reset pretrial conference, December 15th.
Never mind. Reset December 15th. 671329, State versus Jose Garces. Garces. No attorney. Jose Garces. Jose Garces is absent. 671519, State versus Mauricio Sanchez. No attorney. Mauricio Sanchez, absent. 671558, State versus Rudy Guerrero, no attorney. Rudy Guerrero, absent. 671630, State versus Antonia Morales, no attorney. Antonia Morales, absent. 671649, State versus Maria Bovino, attorney. Michael Young. I believe
It's
O'Brien.
yeah, it's either Renee Munoz or Brian O'Donnell.
It's Brian O'Donnell. I saw him coming in this morning. But Maria Bovino is absent at this time. Then two cases, 671-655, 671-656, listed as a fugitive. Isaiah Moreno or Isai Moreno. Either one or both, they're absent. Attorney, no attorney at this time. Final page. 671-670, State versus Aldo Dominguez de la Paz, attorney. Jonathan Reitmeyer.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present, so is my client. This is a first setting. I was whenever we can get a reset so I can get discovery.
Reset, discovery, 30-day reset.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
You are excused, both of you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
671-713, State versus Matthew Tompkins Sealy, attorney Kyle Ernst.
Judge Mark Medley, I enter an appearance for Mr. Seal. It's also our first setting. We'd like to get a reset in order to get discovery done.
Okay, Mark, are you appearing for Kyle Ernst? Are you hired or what?
I was hired, Judge, and I filed a notice of that with the clerk.
Okay. And again, this is discovery, reset, 30 days.
Yes, this is Mike White. Can you tell me what's happening with this case in your court? It was scheduled for today, but the judge has skipped it.
Judge, will I get it?
What is your name? Let's start with that.
He's on the phone. It was Michael White. He's on the phone, Judge.
Okay.
Judge Mark Medley, will I get some notice of a reset from the clerk?
All right, that's the docket for this morning.
Judge Mark Medley is asking you a question.
Mark Medley, what you got?
Will I get some kind of a notice of a reset date?
If he's on the system as the attorney of record?
Mark, if you have registered or made an appearance record, you will be informed.
I don't have it for either case on that, and Ashley's working.
Mark, if you are recorded as attorney of record on the record, yes, you will get notice.
All right, good, man. Be excused.
Yes, sir, you are.
Judge, may I approach? This is Tanisha Taylor.
This is who?
Tanisha Taylor. I missed my case being called this morning. Yes.
My goodness, how sinful.
Page 1.
Page 1. Tanisha Taylor.
For Mariana Barnes? Yes. We're ready for the plea, Your Honor.
Well, where's your client? Is she
She's present. Mariana, can you speak? She's on.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, you were both late, but you're plea. Have you got all your paperwork ready?
We have, and that was my fault, Your Honor. I was having some technical difficulties this morning and wasn't able to get the link to her in time.
So you're the one that gets the punishment?
Yes, here today, yes.
All right. Well, I'm glad you made it. Okay.
Judge, you have announcements. George Sharman's been trying to talk to you.
George Sharman, you have an announcement or something?
Yes, Judge, my client here on speakerphone, and she cannot log in for some reason. She's in Iowa. That may be an explanation. But we reached an agreement, and she's taken the classes, and we just need to